welcome back to Active Learning. In this video, we're going to be learning how to play along with Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So let's grab your piano or your keyboard and get started. Okay, now let's get the hand position. So you need both hands for this song. Your right hand thumb on C, your left hand thumb on B. Okay, do your hands look like this? Is your thumb on middle C on your right hand and your left hand thumb on B? Okay, so in this video, the right hand stems go up and the left hand stems go down. So make sure you're using the correct hand when you're playing. Okay, let's go over our note values. These are the ones that you should know. If you're not sure about any of these, please check out our basic rhythms video and you can have some rhythm practice. Okay, are you ready? Are you set? Let's listen to the music and play. Okay, if you love this track, there are lots more songs in our beginner pack. The link is in the description, available now on Amazon. Thank you for watching.